welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, hi, my name is Mehak Khemka. I make videos related to fashion, DIY hacks, vlogs, and now I'm starting with a review series. So this is my first episode from this review. So I will be releasing every Saturday a video from this series. And let me tell you about this series. I will be picking up a specific product. It may be skincare, makeup, anything I got from Amazon, anything that I love, and I want to review it for you guys. Like मुझे चाहिए कि आपको पता होना चाहिए अच्छा है या बुरा है, anything. So I'll pick up that product and make a review video and release it on every Saturday on my channel. So this you can expect on my channel on every Saturday. And बाकी सारे videos तो आते रहेंगे as per like जब भी आना होगा week में. But every Saturday a review series में से video आएगा. So if you like this concept and like my videos, please go and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any of my new videos. And this is my first episode of this series, जिसके लिए I am super duper excited. I really hope this works properly as per my vision. And ऐसा मैं कोई गारंटी नहीं दे रही हूँ कि ये मैं forever series करने वाली हूँ. जब तक ये episodes आते रहेंगे, जब तक मेरे पास products होंगे review करने के लिए, I'll make sure I continue this series. एंड ऑल्सो ये रिव्यू वीडियो कोई भी स्पॉन्सर नहीं होगा, वो चीज़ मेरे खुद के एक्सपीरियंस से आई मेक अ वीडियो एंड शेयर इट विद यू गाइज. कोई भी प्रोडक्ट जैसे मैं ले रही हूँ वो मैं खुद अप्लाई करूँगी, अपने ऊपर ट्राई करूँगी एंड मैं मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूँगी. I'll just not do a sponsor video in this. So this series is going to be very authentic. So yeah, now without wasting more time, let's just get into the video and yeah. So the first product I am reviewing is this Spavek. This is a Japanese brand and I got my hands on their perfect makeup kit mist. So let me tell you, makeup mist and setting spray both are the same thing जो अपन makeup खत्म होने के बाद end में apply करते हैं. So this setting sprays are designed to keep your makeup on your face and eyes for a longer period of time, like for a day. So yeah, and also this helps to revitalize your makeup color within just few sprays. Also, setting spray formula contains of aloe vera gel, green tea, vitamin A, E, C and cucumber to soothe and hydrate your skin. So every time just you complete your makeup, make sure you use this to hydrate your skin and to keep your makeup on the place. So this is a lightweight makeup setting spray specially formulated with a long-lasting effect. It is water sebum and transfer proof and keeps your makeup intact, creates an undetectable protective shield over your skin that locks your makeup for up to 12 hours and does not clog your pores at the same time. Also, the smell of this product is so good, like I don't have words to express. But the moment I apply it all over my face, it really gives me a refreshing fragrance and just refreshes all my face. It is suitable for all skin type. I am someone from dry skin type and this works for me. This really hydrates and nourishes my skin. So even you can try it. As it says, it is for all skin types, so you can definitely go and give it a try to this. As I said, I'll be reviewing the product only after using it, so I don't have a packaging of this product. But this came under a box which was bluish color. And the best part about this is it comes under a spray bottle, so I don't need to like do any struggle and I can simply spray it all over my face and I am done with it. Also, this is chotu sa bottle, so it is very easy to carry. Now let's talk about the benefits of this Spavek makeup mist. And the best part about this is it protects your makeup from excessive sweat and keeps your makeup in place for up to 12 hours. Like wow, 12 hours, and I have personally used it, so I know it really keeps your makeup on your place for up to 12 hours. Also, ये pollution से भी आपके face को बचाता है. And the more benefits about this product is it is smudge proof and waterproof. Also, it helps to hydrate your skin with minerals and vitamin C. So much benefit of using this product. And also the best part about it is it locks your makeup for 12 hours. Like I have not seen any kind of makeup mist जो इतने time तक आपका makeup lock karega, but I have been using this, and from my personal experience I'm amazed with the quality of this product cause this really works on me. And this is not yet that into limelight of people, but yeah, I just tried it and I loved it, so I thought why not let's make a video and share it with you guys. So now let's see how to use it. After you are done with your makeup, take this Pavek makeup mist and shake it very well for at least 10 to 15 times. This is the must thing that you need to do. Then close your eyes and mouth, hold this away from your face and spray it all over your face for 4 to 5 times and let it dry for a few minutes. Don't touch your skin after you have sprayed it all over your face. Let it dry naturally and then you are done with it. So this is a 50 ml bottle which is for 399 rupees, and you will not regret spending your 400 rupees on this because it is totally worth it and you're gonna love it. So don't just think about it, and you can definitely go and buy this product. Also, this is available on Nykaa. In the description I'll link down the product link so you can go and try it for yourself. I'll link down the Amazon and Nykaa link both, so check out this one. And this is not a sponsor video, I'm mentioning it again. And yeah, so this was my very first review video from the series, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And like, this was the perfect makeup mist you can spend your money into. And ऐसा मैंने पहले खुद भी सोचा था कि ये brand इतना known नहीं है, so it will work or not, but it does its job perfectly. So yes, you can go and put your money into this. If you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button, and in the comment section please let me know कि ये product आपके लिए work किया कि नहीं, and share it with your friends so they also get to know about this amazing makeup mist. And do subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you in next video super soon. Till then, do watch my other videos and stay healthy. Bye.